Banana pudding with only 2 ingredients, no gelatin, no cornstarch. In a blender, we'll start by adding 5 bananas, any type you like, then add 200 milliliters of water. Now we're going to cover it and let it blend really well. As soon as it's blended, we'll open it up and add 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. With the help of a spoon, we'll give it a light mix. Now we just have to cover it and let it blend again. Once that's done, we'll pour the mixture into a saucepan. Now we just have to stir it until it starts to thicken. As soon as it bubbles, we can turn off the heat. Let's take it out and pour it into a container of your choice. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. And now just refrigerate it until it hardens. And look at the texture of this banana pudding. It's super quick, easy and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. A super delicious recipe with only 2 ingredients. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozina. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.